All right, y'all. It's peak hurricane conditions right now for our area. It's kind of missed us, but the water's stupid high. And honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fish. Oh, I was gonna try to fish it. Where the heck? Yeah, I don't know about this, honestly. We'll see. I'm gonna drive through the water, which is what you're not supposed to do. It's not deep yet. I mean, I got a truck, so I'm not really tripping. It's gotten a little deeper. Hey, if anything, the water's really clean. I'm gonna go jig off this bridge for a memento. Oh my gosh, I seen a fish take off, dude. Oh my gosh. If it gets deeper, I'm just taking my shoes off and going to walk in the water. Now, I don't know, man. It looks like it's getting deeper. I don't know what's going on. Maybe if I get a, yeah, I think I'll be all right. It's not that bad. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. We're almost to victory. Okay, slow down, Andy. This is not bad. I heard there's some fish here. I've never fished this. I don't even know if this is regular water or if this is flooded stuff that's not supposed to be here. But I'm gonna jig this guy. All right, guys, I just filmed this whole thing for nothing. I just drove through all that water over there, and I'm gonna fish this to try to do a catch and cook Sally edition. Whatever I catch, if it's a keeper, I didn't even turn the truck off. That's how excited I am. Look how clean the water is. I didn't even unlock the door either. So I'm gonna jig this. I already seen a fish swimming. I don't even know what it was. I'm gonna jig this, and if I catch a keeper fish, I'm going to make a meal out of him. So, you guys, stay tuned, and woo, I'm fishing during a hurricane, baby. Heck yeah. You guys stay tuned again. I said it like 9 times. Bye-bye. All right, y'all. Excuse the audio. I know it's gonna be windy and not too great, but I'm just going for whatever bites. If I can catch a fish here. I just put on this all crooked and messed up looking, but I don't care. Look at this, dude. Oh yeah, I don't know what this is about, but I'm about to find out. If I catch a fish, dude, it's gonna be all worth it. Hurricane Sally fishing. What is in here? Tide's ripping. I just drove through like so much water to get right here. So I'm really hoping that I can catch something. I don't know what's in here. I don't know if it's salt water. It's gotta be, I know it's salt water, but it's probably brackish. But if I can catch something, that would be amazing. I don't know, this bait don't look right. Oh my God. What is that? It's a rat red. Oh man, that's already awesome. Was not even expecting to get a bite really, but I can't avoid the red, y'all know. The reds are always around me. For some reason or another. He thumped it, dude. Look at that. Maybe, just maybe, I can get a keeper. He was like right there. He really hit it good. I want a fishy. There he is. Oh, that was a trout, I think. That was a trout. That was... Should have brought my gulp, man. Oh, had another bite. Come on now. The wind gust got me. Come on, baby. Give me a keeper. I accidentally turned my GoPro off, but I caught another redfish, but he's not a keeper. So I'm just gonna keep fishing. I was gonna take my camera off out of people thinking I'm crazy recording out here, but whatever. Caught 2 redfish, but they were like this big. Yeah. Nah, I've never fished here. Is there bass in here?
Okay, well if you go right down this bayou.
Uh-huh.
On the right hand side they got a concrete dam. But if you go across that dam they got something called Dawson's Pond.
Uh-huh.
They got a lot of alligators, a lot of frogs.
Like you get through this way or something?
You gotta walk down underneath the railroad track.
Oh, I got you. I ain't
You can't get to it now.
No,
Yeah, when the water's down, man.
So I'm guessing it's got like brackets, bass, reds, whatever in here, huh? Oh, I got you. Hey, I caught.
Reference, you know?
Yeah, man. Thank you. Appreciate it.
The little rat reds are the best though.
No. All right, y'all. Trying for round 2. Trying for round 2. That's it. I'm trying for round 2. Okay, good. So let's see what happens. See if I can get a lucky fish. All right. I'm coming over there. Well, they're catching fish, my brother and them, so I'm gonna go steal their spot. I'll be back. A little drive. Let me turn this music off so I don't get copywritten. And we're just making a next right here. Trying to catch a fish, man. He just caught a nice red a second ago. A couple flounder. Yeah, not right here though. Oh yeah, I have before. I just never fished right here. It's always so low usually. I need a bite. Oh, I see him. Hold on. I wanted to get you on film. That was a red, huh? Or was that a gar? Oh my God, I looked back and seen a whole orange body. Wow. Where'd he go? You know they got a little red right here, huh? Oh, I got you. I got you. Wow, I seen that fish. That fish I just saw looked about that long. Oh look. Joey, giant drum. Just flip it right here. Flip it right here in front of me. Huge. Right here. Come back this way. Right, look, right at the tip of my rod. Yep. Oh, dang. Huge. That was what it was. It was a giant drum. I mean big. He's huge. Oh, man. They got hooks all up in this thing. That's a big drum.
I got a crab.
If you put that crab on, he'd find it. That's what we saw. Hey, you want one of these? You want that rig? Hook and sinker. Is it really? Wow, that was a big old freaking drum.
I got a croaker. Decent croaker I was going to keep, and then a crab. Big crab.
You caught them all right here?
Yeah.
Where did he go?
I tell you what, I ain't seen
I know.
I'll catch them here and there, or back here, and in that canal on the other side right there. But they're usually like 12 or 14 inches.
Trout. Yeah. Little trout. What the heck? I got a boot. I got a freaking boot. Gosh. I feel like I'm catching every snag. They were nice. Snagged it. What is that? Trout.
Huh?
Trout. Really? I want a redfish. I just trekked through ankle high water, risking my life in ankle high water to come get these casts in right here. I need a bite to pay off. Come on, man. Gosh, my shirt just slapped my pole and I almost set the hook. I gotta use the restroom. This is just crazy. The things we do to go fishing. Come on, man. There he is. What is that? It's a oh my gosh, it's a microscopic speckled trout. In comparison to the lure, like this thing is tiny. Come on, baby. Where you at? My shoes are soaking wet. Yes, they are. Here, dude, this should be a bite. Right now, let's do this. It's freaking dark out here, though. Oh, man. I gotta go to the restroom right now because I ate Chinese. I cannot get a bite. There's no fish in this water. What the heck do? I have to take a poop. Oh man, Chinese food, why? You know, in real life, if this was Florida and we're in a hurricane situation, we'd be lining up catching. There'd be fish lined up for us to catch them. Fish around here got to be a-holes. So, whatever. How's it dark? It's 7 o'clock, man. Freaking hurricane making everything dark. Okay, I gotta go to the restroom. I gotta figure something out right now before it's too late. Whew. I just don't want to tick on me. You know what I mean? Damn, I want to go. I like to throw in here real quick. Come on, turn the light on. No ticks, none. No. All right, guys. I tried to catch some fish for you guys. I caught a bunch of little bitty fish that don't count, like some little tiny stuff. My brother caught a few flounder and a couple keeper reds in his spot over here, and then when I got here, it just completely sucked. So I think I got ticks all over me, it feels like. Got to check myself, and I might go throw a cracked crab real quick in that last spot I was in because we seen a massive drum. So we'll see. What is this, a crab? Okay, that's like a, what is that? Oh, a cup. Caught a cup. Caught a cup here. I caught a boot. Caught 2 little trout. Left my pole at the other spot.